I'm Satyam, and in this video we will be learning about the date methods in JavaScript. So guys, date methods are very important in JavaScript because date helps us to do some specific task on a specific date. You can get and set the date values. You can get the date and you can also set the date. Get and set methods are very useful there. So you can think that like suppose you have to create a website. You want to create a website on which you want to take the test of some students, and you have created a time clock there, that the test will open on like 21st of this month, and then what everyone has to take that test. So what everyone has to do is they have to take the test on the after 21. So before 21 the test is not open. So what you can do is you can use the date methods in JavaScript. Another example of date methods are the Facebook posts. Like you have seen that when you post something on Facebook, there is a little indication showing the date and the time of when you have posted something on Facebook. And after 1 year you will get a notification from Facebook telling us about the memories that we have posted this thing 1 year ago, we have we are friends with someone and from past 1 year, and so you can get the things like that. You can then use the date methods there in case you are creating a social media website or something like that, or like you are making a quiz website, or you are creating a time clock with the help of JavaScript in the browser. So you can use these things. So now let's see what are the date methods. So date methods let you get and set the date values. Like you can get the date values from the browser, and you can also set the date according to your desire. Like you can get the years, months, days, hours, minutes, seconds, and even the milliseconds. And you can also set all these values. So you can see how powerful the JavaScript is in creating the date methods. So date methods will help you to play around with time. So get methods are used for getting a part of a date, whereas the set methods are used for setting a part of a date. Like you have to set a year, like in you are making a website that tells everyone about the history of something. Then what you can do is you can simply set the year to that date, and then use JavaScript to play around with the dates. So get and set methods are very important. We will see the example of each and every get and set method. So in this example you can see that I have created a new object variable D, and it is of date type. Now what that line means. So guys, I will give you an example. Like suppose A and B are the mother and the father of C. So C is an object of A and B. That means C inherits all the properties of A and B. So this means that C have some properties of his mother and some of his father, or all the properties of his mother and all the properties of his father. So D is an object. In this line I have created a date object on the top of my code before using the date methods, because with the help of the D you can access all the properties and methods of the date object in JavaScript. So I have created a new date object. So when I get the time with the help of D dot get time, so you have as this is case sensitive, so you have to write the exact case for every method. Like this is the camel case that starts with a lowercase letter, and then the second word starts with a uppercase letter. So you will get the time in milliseconds. So we get the time you can see on the right hand side, we get the time in milliseconds. Now this time is started from January 1, 1970. So from 1970 we have started this time, and it's continuously going from then. You can see how many milliseconds are covered from then. So after that I have created, I get the day of the week, I get the 6 because I have recorded that video on Saturday, this video on Saturday, so I get that 6 value. So after that I get the month. So month I get the 7, because the month start from 0 to 11 and not from 1 to 12. So I get that from 7 because but I am in the August month. I am recording this video in the August month, but as I told you that they start from 0, so we have to cover the now this comes in the 7th month. So after that I have we can get the year as 2017, and then we can get the hours on like the time I am recording that video. I have then after that we can get the milliseconds, we can get the seconds, and we can also get the minutes. So you can see how accurate JavaScript is in calculating the time, so that you can play with it. So these all are the get methods in JavaScript. Now these are the set methods. So similarly I have declared a variable s with the new date. So s is a new object that can access all the date properties. So s dot set date will set the date to 20. Now the date will start from 1 to 20. Now the date can have a value of 1 to 31. So we have set it the date to 20, so we get the time in milliseconds as 20. After that we have set it the month to 10, and then the months are from 0 to 11, so we will get the again the value as in milliseconds for that month. So after that we have set it the year, so we have set it the year, and again we get the value in milliseconds. So all these values are from the January 1, 1970, so you have to take that in mind. So now I am setting the milliseconds to 100000000, and if I miss some 0, put that after at the end. So from January 1 we have set it the milliseconds. So after that we can also set the seconds. Similarly we can also set the minutes, we can set the hours, or we can also set the time. So hours and minutes and seconds are all start from the 0 index, and then go to 0 to 59 for seconds, 0 to 59 for minutes, and 0 to 23 for hours. So you have to keep this in mind while working with the JavaScript get and set methods. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned with the Unacademy for more videos. And always remember to always try to focus on more on the coding part, and then also check that you don't write the wrong case for a word in JavaScript. So you can also get the full source code at the following link. So thank you guys for watching.